What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about the shop update, life update, just whatever's going on basically for the past year and a half. I think I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been MIA and a lot of things have changed. This video is basically going to be about that, what's been going on, what projects we got going on, and what we're going to be doing in the future. So let's get to it. I want to show you guys a few of the cars that are in the collection right now, a few cars we're working on, and just things in that nature. So let's get to it. So the first car we're going to be talking about is obviously my LSB E46 M3. You guys haven't seen this car in probably over a year. There's only been a few changes here and there. Now this video is kind of going to be a little bit of a spoiler. Obviously you guys haven't seen the video on the E30 in a while, and it's basically almost all together. But let's stay focused on the E46. The only thing that's really changed on the car are the Apex wheels that I put on there. So I got these wheels off a friend of mine, Adrian. He had them on his Oxford green E46 M3. So I went ahead and threw these wheels on there, and they've been on for a little bit now. The car's actually been giving me a few issues. It's got, I think, like a check engine light. It's smoking a little bit from the valve cover gasket. So there's a lot of stuff I still need to figure out. It's also throwing like a traction light on while you're driving. There's a few issues with this car that I gotta figure out. Let me know if you guys want to see any videos on that, of me fixing those issues. If you guys do, comment down below. But yeah, this car has basically been the same for the past, I think I've had this car for 3 years now. It's either been 2 years or 3 years that I've had this car. Still the same car. It still has the red interior. The only difference is this crack has gotten a lot bigger, which I want to do something on the interior soon. I might even change the color on it. I don't know yet. We might go a different color, which will be a surprise, but we'll keep that on hold for now. One thing is the cars are completely dirty. As you can tell, skies are cloudy, so I haven't even washed these cars in like a month. None of these cars have been washed. It's been raining, they've been dirty, so there's no point in washing them. So sorry for not washing them in this video. Let's move on to the E30 right here. Like I said, you guys haven't seen this car since last year, I believe. The last video I put out was me putting together the rear end of this car. Obviously now the front end's together. I mean, most of the stuff is together. I'm missing like a few pieces here and there. The engine is together as well, which I guess I'll just show you guys right now. It's just a little bit dusty, but the engine is together as well. Runs and drives. Only thing we're missing is the exhaust and obviously the interior. The interior is still gutted like it was before. I gotta do the interior and the exhaust left on this, and the car will basically be ready to go. Now I know I'm basically spoiling all the stuff that I've done on these cars, but I'm still gonna be putting out the videos of the builds after this, which is a little bit weird, but I'm still gonna throw it out because it's still content, because I have been recording for the past year and a half. It's just I never posted anything. Moving on from the E30, this is the newest edition, which unless you follow me on Instagram, you guys have not seen. 1998 Estoril Blue E46, not E46, E36 M3 with only 134,000 miles, I think. This car has actually less miles than my Laguna Seca blue car, and it's a pretty clean example. Now I don't want to show too much because I'll probably do a separate video on this car soon. It's fairly clean. It's got the Dove Gray Vaders, and it's got a whole bunch of like parts on it, aftermarket parts on it. You probably can't tell, but it's got a shit ton of aftermarket parts, and he also gave me like a bunch of just new parts in general when I bought the car. It is for sale right now, so if anyone's interested, for all 10 people that are watching this video, if you're interested, let me know. But I might have a buyer for it soon, so we'll see. I'll do a separate video on this soon. But it does have a bunch of like cool dyno parts on it, which I will show you guys in that future video. Okay, moving on from that, we're gonna go to the cameraman. Flip it on yourself. Alex junk E46 convertible that's been parked here for 17 years. I say junk only because it's been parked for a long time, but the car does have very low miles. How many miles does it have?
80, 75.
75,000 miles, and it's a 2002 or 3?
Yeah, 2.
It's a 2002. I mean, it's been parked for like 15 years, and it only has 75,000 miles. It's just very dirty right now. But we're gonna get it running and driving and get it sold so we can get him a better car than what you see in front of you. Right here, we're gonna be doing a bunch of videos on this car right here. This is a 2018 F80 M3. This is actually my friend Perky's car. If you guys have been watching the channel, you know he had a 2020, I think, M2 competition. He actually sold that, realized he messed up and wanted to buy an F80, so we went ahead and picked this F80 up, and we're gonna be doing a bunch of cool stuff to this car. It's gonna get downpipes, exhaust, tune, basically the basic shit that you do to an F80 M3 that we've already done. We're basically gonna do to this car. That's that. This is gonna get a bunch of videos. We'll do like an introduction video on this soon. This one right here, we put a lot of work into. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not. I don't know if I've posted any videos on this, but I have a bunch of videos that will be dropping soon on this car. It is a 1995 E34 540i M Sport. They only made, don't quote me exactly, I think 232 M Sports total. This one happens to be a manual. Fun fact, there's actually less automatics than there are manuals. There are more manuals. But there's only 232 of them in the United States, and one of them happens to be ours. This got a full makeover, all brand new parts, everything. This one's for sale also, but I'm still debating on keeping it or not, so we will see. Pretty rare car in my opinion, and it's one of my favorite cars, to be honest. This car is basically what started this channel. This is the E46 M3 that we built in 20 minutes. If you guys want to go back and watch that video, pretty cool video. It's got like 1.5 million views on it, something like that. But this is the car that we rebuilt for my friend Armand. He just has it chilling here because I had to put spacers on the car. We changed the wheels up a bit. It used to have Apex arcades on it. We put the original ZCPs on there. He might sell it soon, so we're gonna see how that goes. Honestly, I don't want him to sell it only because we did so much work on it, but hey, the man's gotta do what the man's gotta do. This is how long this car's been parked. The emblem is already fading away. This car's literally sitting more than it's driving, even though we did all of that work on it. And then finally, we got Cousin George's junk E36 M3. I know most of these cars aren't mine, like this car, the E46, the F80, and the convertible E46. They're not mine. The only ones that are mine are the E34, the E36, the E30, and the E46 M3. I thought I'd throw these in because they've been at the shop for a while, and it's kind of like a shop update video as well. But this is Cousin George's 97 or 98 E36 M3. This car has very low miles. I think it has like 60,000 miles or something like that. So it's a pretty low mileage example. Interior's clean. It's got a brand new paint job. Interior's fully reupholstered. It's got the M-Tech 2 steering wheel. It's a pretty clean example. It's for sale right now. Let's see how many miles this has. Oh, he hit 73,000 miles. It's 73,000 miles, which is really good considering it's a freaking 30-year-old car. Nearly a 30-year-old car. So yeah, this is Cousin George's E36 M3. Low mileage car, very high mileage car, which is like 260 something thousand. That has like 200,000. I don't even remember how much the F80 has. I think it was around 50,000. But we got a couple of low mileage cars and a couple high mileage cars. The only one I really want to keep is the E46 M3 because that's honestly my dream car. Don't mind these taillights, they're leaking a shit ton of water. We don't hide anything in our videos, unlike a lot of YouTubers. There you go. I do need new taillights, but honestly I don't even know where to get them from. I don't like the aftermarket ones. These are OEM. But I am selling the E34, the E36, and I'm probably going to eventually sell the E30, only to make room for bigger, cooler projects. The only one I'm really going to keep is this E46 M3. And I know you guys see that E36 in the background. That's not ours. That's actually a customer car that I'm working on. I'm rebuilding the engine on that car. I don't know if you guys want to see videos like that, but let me know. I can literally record the rebuild process and post it on YouTube for you guys. So let me know if you guys want to see the engine rebuild on that, because I'm going to be doing that very soon and throwing it in there. The engine got overheated and needed a new head, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. Just comment down below if you guys have any ideas of videos that you guys want to see. I do want to start posting again. I don't even think I'm going to be getting any more views because I basically stopped posting for a little while. I actually really like doing it. It's just work took over. I started taking on more customer jobs. I had another business to run, which was taking up a lot of time. But now I think I could get back into it a little bit and start posting more videos. Obviously, if you guys have built a car before, you guys know that it takes a lot of money and a lot of time to build these cars. And YouTube realistically doesn't pay. You gotta make money some other way. So that's why I take on customer projects and customer cars. And if you guys do need anything worked on, like BMWs, any type of car, that's what I do. I'm a mechanic, so let me know if you guys need any work done on your cars. Basically, I haven't posted in a while because I got married, I had a kid, and I just had a lot of customer cars to work on because obviously I gotta make money, I gotta take care of my family somehow. So if you guys do want to support, all you guys gotta do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and just throw some comments down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, or if you guys want to see any videos. You guys might not want to see me in a video ever again, and you guys hate looking at my face in every video, so might as well just let me know the truth. If you guys don't want to see me in any videos, this is the last video I'll ever make in the history of ever. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see any more videos. Hit that like button, hit that comment button, hit the bell notification, because I might be posting more and more videos. I got like 20 videos ready to go. I just gotta literally sit down and edit them and post it up for you guys. So if you guys do want to see those videos, comment down below. So I read every comment, by the way. I literally read every single comment that's ever been posted. So comment down below, let me know if I should post. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.